estudiantes, vamos a hacer una lección sobre el pretérito. So we're going to do a lesson today on the preterite and specifically the verbs ser and ir. So we're just going to go over a quick overview of the preterite, and then after that we'll do some conjugation of ser and ir, which are the same in the preterite, and then we'll do some examples with also some time expressions. So el pretérito, the preterite. So specific, number one, specific actions in the past for a specific amount of time or during a specific amount of time. For example, ayer por la tarde yo barré el piso en mi cuarto. Yesterday afternoon, I swept the floor in my room. So number two, actions in the preterite are completed. So mi hermano sacó la basura anoche. My brother took out the garbage last night. So it's over and done with. He took out the garbage, end of story. Número tres. If an action is specific and you can pinpoint in time when it happened or how many times it happened, it is very likely preterite. So for example, Aiden y Savannah lavaron las ollas en la cafetería por media hora esta tarde. So Aiden and Savannah washed the pots in the cafeteria for half an hour this afternoon. Okay, número cuatro. They're not ongoing actions. So they're not things that you have a habit of doing or that you regularly do. For example, Ana called me 2 times this morning. So Ana me llamó 2 veces esta mañana. She doesn't call me every day. She just called me 2 times this morning. So again, it's not ongoing. Some words that indicate the preterite. So we have ayer, which is yesterday. So you can write yesterday in the blank. La semana pasada, which is last week. Anoche, which is last night. El mes or año pasado, last month or last year. Esta mañana, this morning. Hace, like hace 2 meses, 2 months ago. Hace una semana, a week ago. So hace with a time period is ago. Número 7, esta tarde, this afternoon. Número 8, ayer por la mañana, or ayer por la tarde, yesterday morning or yesterday afternoon. And you can pause the video if you need to write this down. Anteayer, the day before yesterday. So some indicators of the preterite are when you can ask how many times or how often. If you can ask those questions, then that would indicate the preterite. Okay, so we're going to do a conjugation of the preterite of ir and ser. So the preterite tense of ir and ser. In the preterite, ir and ser have the exact same conjugation. You know which one is being used by context. You can conjugate them here. So yo would be fui. Tu would be fuiste. El, ella, usted would be fue. Nosotros would be fuimos. Vosotros and vosotras be fuisteis. And then ellas, ellas, and ustedes would be fueron. So here are some examples. Yo fui a la tienda ayer. So what would you put for that in English? So what would be yo fui a la tienda ayer? Would it be I was to the store yesterday, or would it be I went to the store yesterday? So of course it would be I went to the store yesterday. So it would be, it's actually the conjugation is from ir, but it's again, like ser and ir have the same conjugation in the preterite. So you just have to know by context. Número dos. Nosotros fuimos a Madrid el mes pasado. So is it we were to Madrid the last month or we went to Madrid last month? So right, it would be we went to Madrid last month. Número tres. El desayuno fue delicioso en la cafetería esta mañana. So the food went delicious in the cafeteria this morning, or the food was delicious in the cafeteria this morning? So right, it would be the breakfast was delicious in the cafeteria this morning. El vestido fue barato. El vestido fue barato. Número cuatro. So is it the dress went cheap or the dress was cheap? So right, it would be the dress was cheap. Número 5. Nosotros fuimos al restaurante anoche. Nosotros fuimos al restaurante anoche. So right, it would be, it's not we were to the restaurant last night. It was we went to the restaurant last night. Oops. This kind of messed up. Okay, número 6. Ellos fueron al departamento de ropa para hombres esta tarde. So, ellos fueron al departamento de ropa para hombres esta tarde. So, was it they were to the clothing department for men this afternoon, or they went to the clothing department for men this afternoon? So, right, it would be they went to the men's department this afternoon. Men's clothing department. Número 7. La camisa roja fue bonita pero cara. La camisa roja fue bonita pero cara. So is it the red shirt was pretty but expensive, or the red shirt went pretty but expensive? So right, it's the red shirt was pretty but expensive. Okay, so that's my little lesson on the conjugation of ir and ser and some examples, and a little bit on a review of the preterite. So I hope you like my video. Bye. Adios.